Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be discussing about some of the statutory bodies in India. The first one is the National Commission for Women. It was set up in the year 1992 through the National Commission for Women Act of 1990. Hence, it is called a statutory body since it has a statutory backing of this law. It is mainly formed to redress the grievances and accelerate the socio-economic development of women. It is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, and its objectives are to review the constitutional and legal safeguards of women, and also recommend remedial legislative measures, and also help in the grievance redressal of women issues. NCW comprises of a chairperson and 5 members, and also a member secretary. Of these 5 members, at least 2 persons, that is, one should be from the SC and SC category, and other one should be of the ST category. The chairperson should be someone who is committed to the cause of women. And these all members, that is chairperson and members, are nominated by the central government, and their salaries, allowances and service conditions are also prescribed by the central government. Here central government refers to the Ministry of Women and Child Development, as it is the administrative ministry. And they are given a term of 3 years and can also tender the resignation to the central government. They can also be removed from their office earlier to 3 years if they are involved in some other cases like an criminal offence or unsound mind or undischarged insolvent, etc. The Commission can accept complaints from the persons either verbally or written complaint or suo motu, that is, the Commission can take a complaint on its own. It also acts as a civil court in matter of adjudicating for redressing the grievances, that is, it can summon and enforce the attendance of any person and examine him under oath, etc. It also submits a report to the central government at an annual interval or any other interval prescribed by the central government. The central government or the state government has to consult the National Commission for Women for any policy related matters. This report of the National Commission for Women, after obtaining to the central government, has to be submitted to the Parliament for its consideration. The next body is the NCPCR, that is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. This is also a statutory body established in 2007 under the NCPCR Act of 2005, and the main mandate is to protect, promote and defend the child rights in the country. According to this act, a person under 18 years of age is considered a child, and it also deals with the effective implementation of laws and programs related to the children. It comprises of chairperson and 6 members. Of the 6 members, at least 2 of them should be women. The chairperson should be an eminent in the field of child rights or child movement, etc. The chairperson and members are appointed by the central government, and their salaries, allowances and service conditions are prescribed by the central government. They hold a position for a term of 3 years and can also submit the resignation to the central government. They can also be removed before the term of 3 years if they are convicted under any criminal offence or if they are undischarged insolvent or of unsound mind, etc. This body has a special function to monitor the implementation of Right to Education Act and also POCSO Act, that is Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. The Commission can receive complaints, that is both verbally and written, from any persons, or it can take up a complaint suo motu, that is on its own. It also has all the powers of a civil court in deciding or trying a suit. It submits a report annually to the central government, and in this report is placed interned in the Parliament for its consideration. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding statutory bodies. National Commission for Women has representation in the National Human Rights Council. A person under 16 years of age is considered a child under the NCPCR Act of 2005. The correct answer is A. The NHRC has a special seat reserved for the chairperson of the National Commission for Women, and a person under 18 years of age is considered a child under NCPCR and not 16 years. Thank you.